So I received a message, can you make this house look like that with some render? Scratch coat all done, mesh is embedded into it. I'll give it a nice little skim coat over that tomorrow and sponge it up. Nice and flat, ready for the primer and then the silicone top coat. Nice little view of the sea over there. Here's the silicone render job complete. It looks nice. Here's the compressor and the hopper that I used to spray the top coat. Job completed and another happy customer.